Some big news coming in at this point of time. Security heightened in Majestic due to statewide lockdown. One KSRP platoon has been deployed for security, traffic and civil police personnel. Shopping and checking vehicles, private vehicles and autos are being stopped on the roads by cops. Motorists are being questioned about their destinations. BMTC to ply a bus for cases of health emergency. This is the big news which we are tracking at this point of time. Security has been heightened in Majestic, one of the key areas in Bengaluru, due to statewide lockdown as released by the state government till March 31st. One KSRP platoon has been deployed for security purposes. Autos are being stopped on the roads by cops. Motorists are being questioned about their destinations. BMTC to ply bus for just in case for health emergency. This is the big news which we are tracking at this point of time. Majestic, one of the key areas in Bengaluru, where security has been heightened due to statewide lockdown till March 31st. I have my colleague Prajwal right there at Majestic. Prajwal, what is the latest which you have for us from Majestic?
You know, one KSRP platoon has already been deployed and it has just left now owing to a call that they had received. But also, Abhijit, you can clearly go ahead and look at the entire, Majestic over here. It wears a completely deserted look. Both the KSRTC bus stands as well as the BMTC bus stands too. There is absolutely nobody in any of these bus stands too, due to the Karnataka state lockdown, which was ordered by Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa as well as the government of Karnataka. But what is very interesting is also the fact that there are buses which has been provided by the BMTC. These health emergency buses are being provided by the BMTC, and even some of the BMTC staff too have come in, because both the Transport Corporation, the Home Department as well as the Health Department are making sure that this will be one lockdown which they will go ahead and observe, and they will make sure that it is safe for the people, because just in case of emergency health contingencies, they would definitely go ahead and require, they would definitely want people, even if they have any problems, these buses will be sent in. So you can clearly look at it. The buses the buses have been sent by the government too, and it is clearly mentioned that this is the health emergency buses that we are seeing in. So only first all these buses usually come towards the Majestic bus station, and later the assigned bus driver as well as the conductor will move towards the depot. You can also clearly go ahead and look at the buses. The buses are absolutely clean over here. So if you could just pan across, Raghu, the buses are absolutely clean. There is absolutely nothing to worry about. It is made sure that the buses are spick and span, because health, because maintaining health is important as of now. So therefore, the BBMP as well as the BMTC have made sure that even the buses will be kept clean over here, and the transport officials are working in coordination with the Home Department officials, the BBMP officials as well as the Health Department too. There is also an ambulance. There is also an ambulance right here at Majestic. You can see that just now an ambulance has come in, bringing in some of the health workers as well. So this clearly goes on that the state of Karnataka is ready to face any sort of lockdown. Whatever the lockdown might be, they are requesting the people of Karnataka to strictly stay indoors also. So an ambulance has come by, and sometimes what is exactly happening with all these ambulances is the fact that some of them are trying to ferry people, and the police cracked down on some of them, but majority of them were health department workers now. So therefore they're using ambulances for public transport. So you can clearly go ahead and see that majority of them, from what we understand, are the hospital staff, is what they said. But clearly using ambulances for public transport, it is definitely not allowed over here, and this is exactly what is being seen on the screen. So this is something which shouldn't be done, and which is being pointed out by the police as well. So they immediately asked them to go back to the hospital as well. So all said and done, do not go ahead and do this, because it is a sincere request to all the people out there to go ahead and observe immediate lockdown. No matter matter what, make sure that you go ahead and observe the lockdown. Otherwise, definitely stringent action will be taken against you. The Commissioner of Police, Bhaskara, also told the same, as well as other people too. So all said and done now, the government of Karnataka has clearly gone ahead and stated that people who will be stepping out will be punished, and the rule will follow till the 31st of March. So it's a sincere request out to the people of Bengaluru as well as the people of Karnataka to stay indoors, stay healthy, and help India fight COVID-19.
Well, thanks a lot, Prajwal, for all the updates. We'll keep coming back to you on the same. As private vehicles and autos are being stopped by the cops, motorists are being questioned about their destinations. That's a scene from Mysuru, which my colleague Prajwal was covering. BMTC also to ply a bus in case of health emergency.